I am the Seer. For you to test me, just call, tell me to check for you. I will be the one to tell you the problems and the solutions.
You see cat eye seed, ba? Cat eye seed is one of the most powerful spiritual seeds that our ancestors don't joke with. You see that red part of it, right? It represents blood and vitality. I see that black spot. It represents the eye that watches your blind spot. In the sense that it represents the eye that watches the things you cannot see. That's the things your physical eye is blind to. So it watches it for you. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use a black seed, how you can use a cat eye seed to command respect. Do as I say. I'm also going to show you how you can use this cat eye seed for protection. I'm also going to show you how you can use this cat eye seed to attract favor, love, And if you are new to this channel, this is the Seer. This is the home of spiritual solution. So if you have any spiritual problems, do well to subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss powerful teachings from us that will better you. You can contact us if you want us to check for you, let you know what your problem is. Okay. Now, number one on my list I'm going to talk about is the protection. Cat eye seed is very good for protection. We normally use cat eye seed for several protection if you know how to use it, or if you should use it in the right way. What will you do for protection, right? If you are going anywhere, maybe you are going for work, you are going to work, you are traveling, and you want protection, right? Get 3 cat eye seed. That 3 cat eye seed, put it on your right palm. Declare the words of protection. As I'm going out, no evil eye will see me. No evil energy will reach me. Whatever the enemy will plan towards me, it will go back to them. I want to be protected. I want to be protected, physically and spiritually. You make that prayers of protection. Put it inside your pocket or inside your bag. So keeping this 3 cat eye seed with you while going out helps to prevent any spiritual attack. So if there's any spiritual arrow that will be said to you, before it gets to you, that black spot will absorb it, we see it, because the black spot will watches the things you cannot see. So it will absorb it. It has a poison, spiritual poison, that will neutralize it before it manifests. That is one way to use cat eye seed for protection. Was this helpful? Hit that like button, like the video. Now the second thing you can actually do with cat eye seed is to command respect. Do as I say. I check my channel, search it. I made a video on how to use cat eye seed to do as I say, to command respect. Now if you want more on that, you can check my channel. But this video I'm going to teach you another way to use it to command respect. How do you use it? If you are going for a meeting, you are going to a business place, you are going anywhere, and you want your words to carry weight. You want people to listen to what you are saying, and they will know and say yes. You want people to see the good thing inside of everything you are going to say. What will you do? Get 3 cat eye seed, put it on your palm, declare on it that as you are going now, this meeting I'm going to, whatever I'm going to say, people will see the good side of it. They will see the power of what I'm going to say. They will listen to me. My words will carry weight. Declare on it how you want it to say. This links you to your ancestral authority. It works. So when you are done praying on this, they put this inside your pocket. Go for that meeting. You will notice how people will pay attention to whatever you are going to say at that time. So this is another way to use it to command respect. Okay, you can speak on it as I'm going this social place. I want people to respect me. Blah 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 blah. You keep it with yourself, right? Good. Another way to use this cat eye seed is for protection. That's to shade your house. If you are in the kind of place that evil spirit normally enter your house, which is normally come and disturb you in your house, what do? Get 7 cat eye seed, right? That 7 cat eye seed you have gotten, place it on your palm. Declare words of protection. I shade this house. Anytime anybody with evil intention comes to this house spiritually, let that person blind spiritually. Let this house not be visible to anybody with evil intention. Let the black spot black the person's eye. Nobody can see through black. As a result, they will not be able to see the good things happening in this house. They will not be able to monitor this house. They will not be able to see this house. When you are done making that prayers of protection, everything on it, then you put one in the 4 corners of your house. You carry one, put in the 4 corners of your house. When you are doing it, you move at the clockwise. Put on the first corner, go to the second, move to your left, put on the other corner, move to your left, put on the other corner, move to your left, put on the other corner. You have put 4 in the 4 corners of the house, right? Then the remaining 3, then you place them on the extras to your house. If you like, you can put them under your foot mat, your welcome mat. This is another way to use.
Another method, another thing you can also do with a cat eye seed is for attracting favor, for general love, and to attract money. Now, how do you use cat eye seed to attract money? Get several cat eye seed, right? Put them on your palm. Declare this word that I want money to come to me freely, easily, and effortlessly. From east, west, north, and south, let men and women favor me. I shall be loved generally. Men and women will love me. Men and women will see the good side of me only. I want to be favored. I want to be blessed. I want money to come to me freely, easily, and effortlessly. Let men and women favor me. Let me be respected. General love I seek for. You pray on it how you want him to work for you. That the 7 seed, you will be 100% naked. Just like when you came to this world. You are not going to wear anything. Not even earring, not even ring, not anything. You'll be 100% naked. So when you are done praying on it, while you are naked, then you will be using your tongue to pick them one by one. If you use your tongue to pick the 7, or you put the 7 in your mouth, once you put the 7 in your mouth, then you'll be swallowing it gradually until you swallow everything. Once you don't chew it, you have to swallow it. Once you swallow it, right, it is stay in your body. Get your prayer done. You have transmit the energy. Then after 2 to 3 days, it will come out through your poo. Your body will not digest it, but the energy will be treated in your body. Depending on the words you speak on it, will determine what it's going to do for you. So this is another way you can also use cat eye seed to attract love, money, and favor. If you find this video helpful so far, don't be selfish. I was not selfish to give you the knowledge. You should not be selfish not to give me like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I want you to comment on the comment section that I type from the power of nature. Nature will work on my favor. I want you to type this on the comment section. Either you type I typed from the power of nature, or you type nature will work on my favor. Who the Zuzu, where there is God, everything and anything is possible. And if there's any other thing you want me to teach you, let me know in the comment section. And if there's any spiritual problem you want us to look into, you don't need to tell me the problem. Call me or chat me up. I will be the one to tell you the problem and the solution. Who the Zuzu?